Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to unbox this guy, the Meike mount adapter, MK-EFTR-A for Canon EF lenses to EOS R lenses. So one of the things I've run into is I have an EOS R7 here, and there are not many RF-S lenses yet. As of this video's recording, I think there are 2. So I picked this up so I could use some EF-S lenses in the interim on my R7. So real simple, not expecting anything fancy from the packaging, nor should you. It's a $49-ish adapter, comes in a plastic bag, Meike front and rear lens caps. Here we go. EF on that side, R on this side. Ooh, nice. There's a little gasket around this to help keep some of the dust out of your camera, which will be really good if you are using this on a full-frame RF camera that doesn't have... Do any of them not have shutters? I can't remember. I feel like some of them don't have closing shutters over the sensors. Anyway, that's a really nice touch I did not expect. So this is the adapter, and I'm going to get to work on testing it out with some EF-S lenses on the R7. Oops, there we go.